Actually,
I think
they're
that's
aware.
what he
They're
knows.
aware. Yeah.
No.
Dude, the timing is so bad. There's like to text CM though, right?
I don't think so.
No, he didn't. He
No.
didn't. He didn't. He didn't.
Can make their moves all the way
Good kill
over.
from
Ball.
Outlaw in hand. 2 shots will do
Wait,
it.
that ball is nice.
Volleys have to be dodged
No,
and
Tex
juked
is
and
like
avoided
fucking
and
mad right now.
evaded.
Oh
Oh
my
my
god,
God,
that's
he's charging
oh
them.
my
Oh,
god.
It's like that, Ian. Like, dude,
Wait,
we get it. They like.
he thinks they're shit. What the fuck?
No, it's because they replaced him,
We're
dude.
away now from the ace.
Oh my god, he's
Looks like we
mad.
haven't
He's
seen
actually
too many of
mad.
them,
He
to be
doesn't want
honest,
to
in
give
the
them
Super
an
Week,
ace.
but
If I'm Tex, I'm
also
ulting.
I'm all
I'm
the
100% I'm ulting.
Every time. Every time.
Ulting for the aces. Throw
But listen, Jonah knows he's
They know
coming.
where he
Jonah
is,
knows.
Jonah. P shots.
Oh,
Landing.
He wants it. Let's
the
try, let's
nine,
try.
and Aspas just stealing it away.
what an insane round from Tex, though.
Yeah.
That was actually
Tex did
insane.
Such a great job at getting 4.
I mean,
He's
yeah,
playing
dude.
against
That's
his former team.
20 and
He's
7
got
against his
20
old team.
kills
That is
He
a
wants it.
across
statement.
15
They got
rounds.
40 combined almost.
He's overtaken Aspas. Maybe that was the reason that Aspas stole the ace at the end.
He needs the
Dude, his
kills.
first
He's like,
few
oh,
games,
get down.
Yeah.
Get down.
he wasn't
I'm
comfortable.
playing
Like
for
when he
stats.
looks comfortable, he looks fucking
That is
disgusting, bro.
insane. Yeah.
Ian's feeling